How to message a business on Yelp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yelp on your device. Click on the location and search the business you want to message. Then, click on the business you want to message. It will lead you to this page. Scroll down and on the right side, you'll find message the business. Click on message the business in there. Then it will pop up this page. Share your message in here at the top. Then include your information or login. You can simply add your email, your first name, and send message. And after you press on send message, they will receive your message. This is how to message a business on Yelp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.